Envirotech Labs is an independent, world-class analytical facility that offers quality analysis of leaves and soils for the South African fruit industry. To ensure optimal benefits of this annual sampling exercise, it is crucial that leaf and soil samples are taken in the correct manner and that they are representative of the orchard or fertilization zone. At receipt in the laboratory, leaves are rinsed lightly in distilled water before they are dried and grinded. A small quantity of the fine leaf powder is then weighed off for the different analyses. Soils are dried and sieved before being treated with different extractants. Thereafter, the concentration of plant available nutrients is determined. Leaf and soil analysis are reliable techniques to determine the nutritional status of citrus and avocado orchards and are therefore critical for the effective application of fertilization programs. Leaf samples in avocado orchards must be taken from February to April and in citrus orchards from February to May, when the leaf composition is most stable. It is imperative that the samples are taken at the same time each year, for example, always in the first week of March. Divide the orchard into sampling units of approximately 1,000 trees of the same variety, age, rootstock, and which is planted in a similar soil type. For avocado orchards, the sampling unit should not exceed 3 hectares. Take at least 25 trees of the block. These trees are considered the index trees and are sampled each year. Sample trees from the top, middle, and bottom rows of the orchard. Trees close to roads and on the edge of the orchard are not representative of the orchard and should not be sampled. Trees should be sampled from both the sunny and shady sides of the tree, as well as from different heights of the tree. To this end, the trees should be sampled as follows: the first tree from the bottom north, the next tree from the bottom east, the next tree from the bottom south, and the next tree from the bottom west. Continue with this pattern, taking samples in the middle of the tree and then the top of the tree. It is critical for the right leaf to be taken. The position of the leaf on the branch and its age plays a role in the nutritional composition of the leaf. Sample healthy, whole, representative leaves from a new shoot. Citrus leaves must be sampled from a fruiting terminal, just behind a fruit. Avocado leaves is sampled from a non-fruiting new shoot. Do not sample unhealthy leaves or leaves that are damaged. Collect approximately 100 leaves from an orchard. Pick the samples each year at the same time from the same trees. Place leaves in a clean plastic or paper bag that is labeled with at least the orchard's name. Keep the samples in the shade or cool to approximately 4 degrees Celsius until it is sent to the laboratory. Do not freeze the sample. Soil sampling is as important as leaf sampling, and the same basic principles of leaf sampling are applied. Trees should be sampled from both the sunny and shady sides of the tree and should be sampled as follows: the first tree from the northern side, the next tree from the eastern side, the next tree from the southern, and the next tree at the western side of the tree. Please note that soil samples are taken from every 5th index tree. Samples must be taken within the drip area of the tree where the fertilizer is applied. Clean the surface area from debris where the sample will be taken. Samples must be taken at least 30 centimeters deep. Collect all the sub-samples from the orchard in a clean container and mix them together. Take a representative sample of approximately 350 grams. Place it in a clean plastic bag and label the sample in a similar way as the corresponding leaf sample. Do not write with a soft pen on the plastic bag. Attach a label. By measuring the nutrient levels in soils and leaves, Envirotech labs can provide accurate, reliable information for the effective application of fertilization programs. Our recommendations, therefore, ultimately depend on the accuracy of the sampling methods used.